Two ways to make your phone speaker loud and clear again. If your phone speaker do not use to sound very well, this is the way you can clean it. You can use the toothbrush to clean the speaker of your phone. This way, immediately it will start sounding very loud and clear. The second method is the one I'm going to show you practical on how you can use sound to flush every dirty or dust on your phone speaker. Follow me, let me show you how to do that. Let's go. Open your TikTok and click on the search bar this way and type speaker cleaner this way, search. Now, when you search it, the first one that will appear like this, you see this. Speaker cleaner, just tap it this way now and raise the volume of that your phone. Raise the volume of the phone and make sure you allow it to play the sound from the beginning to the end. Allow the sound to finish. Allow the sound to finish from A to Z, and immediately it will flush out everything on the speaker and give you an audible speaker. If you find this video useful, do it to share for others to benefit.